Best Software Training Institute, in Chennai with placement, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Empowering future tech professionals. The significance of hands-on training in IT education. The importance of practical training in IT education. The integration of practical training is crucial in IT education, serving as a bridge between theoretical knowledge and real-world application. This approach fosters teamwork, enhances competition, and cultivates problem-solving skills among students. Hone technical skills through hands-on training. Hands-on training is instrumental in refining technical skills essential for the IT sector, including coding, programming, network configuration, and cybersecurity. The teamwork and cooperation are essential for successful IT projects in professional environments. Adaptability to technological advancements. The IT sector experiences continuous technological advancements, demanding agility from professionals. Practical training ensures students stay abreast of both emerging and established technologies, equipping them with the flexibility needed to navigate the ever-changing IT landscape. Cultivating professionalism and confidence. Practical training helps IT students develop professionalism and confidence. A real-world exposure prepares individuals to navigate complex projects with ease by instilling a deep understanding of the IT environment. Enhancing employability and industry relevance. Practical training significantly improves the employability of IT graduates, as employers in the industry prioritize candidates with hands-on experience. Graduates equipped with practical skills have a distinct advantage in the competitive job market, making them more appealing to potential employers seeking individuals with both knowledge and practical capabilities.